Have you ever wanted to get a behind-the-scenes look at the National Weather Service? Well, here's your chance. On Saturday, October 20th, 2018, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., we'll be hosting our open house. This open house is free and fun for all ages. You will receive a tour of our facilities, including our weather balloon shelter and forecast operations area. Meet the forecasters and learn how National Weather Service forecasts and warnings are produced. Sample exhibits from our partners in safety and education, including Virginia Tech Meteorology, the Virginia Division of Emergency Management Region 6, and the amateur radio operators, and much more. Our office is on the Virginia Tech Corporate Research Center, 1750 Forecast Drive, Blacksburg, Virginia, 24060. Parking can be found in front of our office and the square area shown. Come join us and say hi at our open house on Saturday, October 20th, 2018, from 10 to 3 p.m.